Satnam and welcome. I'm Parnam Dave and this is Yogic Living. Today we're in my mom's kitchen and we're going to make some vegan pizza. So we're going to start this recipe out with making the dough. And we're going to use a recipe that I've sort of modified ever since I was in high school. So we're going to start out with half a cup of almond milk. Alright, and the next ingredient is a teaspoon and a half of yeast. And then a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. And now we're going to add some flour, about 1 1/3 cup. Of course, it may vary depending upon the humidity in your area. Then we're just going to stir things together. Now I'm going to add a little olive oil to the mix. And the dough should be about this consistency when we get done. And now we're adding my favorite topping, garlic. And I put a whole bulb on. And then, after I get done slicing this up, putting this on, then we're going to add some vegan cheese. I found this Veal Life works very well. It melts and it tastes pretty good as well. And so it gives me that nice cheese feeling. So I'm going to add this on, stick it in the oven. I preheated the oven to about 450. And of course, I'm going to put it in for about 15 minutes. And you know, your time may vary, but you just want to cook it till it gets nice and bubbly and golden brown. And there we go. We're ready to... Alright, now you can see we got her all cooked. Let's see how she tastes. Very good. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Press that subscribe button down there if you want to see more of my videos. And press that bell icon down there if you want to be notified next time I upload one of these things. And by the way, I did write a book. It's all about my spiritual journey. It's called Why I Wear This Thing on My Head. If you want a copy, I'll leave that in the description down below. Alright, Satnam.